In this video, we will talk about 10 artificial intelligence free courses with certificates. 1. Artificial Intelligence Foundations of Computational Agents, offered by MIT OpenCourseWare on edX. This course covers the basics of AI, including problem-solving, knowledge representation, and learning. 2. Artificial Intelligence, AI, offered by Stanford University on Coursera. This course provides an introduction to AI and covers topics like search algorithms, game playing, and probabilistic reasoning. 3. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, offered by IBM on Coursera. This course covers the fundamentals of AI, including machine learning and neural networks. Certificate option available for a fee. 4. Machine Learning, offered by Stanford University on Coursera. This course, taught by AI pioneer Andrew Ng, provides a comprehensive introduction to machine learning algorithms and techniques. 5. Deep Learning Specialization, offered by deeplearning.ai on Coursera. This specialization consists of multiple courses and covers deep learning algorithms and applications. 6. Artificial Intelligence for Robotics, offered by Udacity. This course focuses on the application of AI in robotics, covering topics like localization, mapping, and control. 7. Reinforcement Learning, offered by the University of Alberta on Coursera. This course introduces the fundamentals of reinforcement learning, a subfield of AI. 8. Introduction to Tensorflow for Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning, and Deep Learning, offered by deeplearning.ai on Coursera. This course provides hands-on experience with Tensorflow, a popular deep learning framework. 9. AI for Everyone, offered by Deep Learning on Coursera. This course is designed to provide a non-technical introduction to AI, covering its impact on society and business strategies. 10. Practical Deep Learning for Coders, offered by Fast.ai. This course focuses on practical applications of deep learning, with a hands-on approach using the Fast.ai library.